Welcome to MBBS Council. Medical Counseling Committee is getting ready for NEET 2021 MBBS BDS admission counseling. Open browser and visit mcc.nic.in website. Click UG Medical Counseling link. Even though link is given for information bulletin, seat matrix, etc., they are not working now. If you click there, it says it will be available soon. You can find the last year NEET 2020 admitted MBBS BDS students in MCC counseling by clicking the last link in News and Events section. You will see last year allotment details for all 4 rounds of counseling. As I told earlier, the NEET 2021 rank and score is almost similar to last year rank and score. So the cutoff will be almost similar to the last year cutoff. All columns in this allotted list is self-explanatory. PH indicates physically challenged. You can find that all top rankers joined AIIMS Delhi. Rank 8 is missing in this list. All India rank candidate 8 chose JIPMER Puducherry because he is from South India. Rank number 43 is again missing in the allotment list. He joined BJ Medical College, Pune, a top medical college within his home state, Maharashtra. After AIIMS Delhi, students prefer AIIMS Jodhpur and AIIMS Bhopal. After AIIMS allotment, All India quota allotment details are given. You can find deemed university allotment at the bottom of the report. Round 4 means stray round counseling. It is conducted by the respective medical college itself. Allotment for 18,000 candidates are given in this document, which runs for 1068 pages. If you find it difficult to know the cutoff for any particular medical college using this document, you can use MBBS Council Android app to find that easily. If you find this video helpful, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. If you have any doubts regarding MBBS admission counseling, you can contact Counseling Helpline 044 4631 3330 or simply comment below. See you in the next video.